If you've ever stared at the ceiling at 3 a.m. with your mind racing, I have something that will knock you out in minutes without leaving you groggy. So why is sleep so important, first of all? Because it's the time when our body cleanses and as like the washing machine is going on. It also impacts our brain. So it helps to clean out toxins in our brain while we're sleeping. It's called the glymphatic system. And if we don't get that sleep, we don't daily detox our brains, which will have a huge impact on our long-term health. And did you know that lack of sleep increases anxiety, depression, heart issues, and immune challenges? It also impacts our weight and our metabolism. And quality sleep actually boosts our immune system, helps to balance our hormones, helps us to be able to focus better and have better emotional balance. So if you're having trouble falling asleep or staying asleep, you're not alone. And it's not just about rest, it's actually about protecting your health. Now, let me get a little personal here. So the past few weeks have been very challenging for me and for my family. My son was at UVU during the Charlie Kirk rally, and I remember getting a text from his wife and telling me that he is barricaded in a classroom and not knowing what's going on. And then not soon after that, there was a shooting at a local junior high, at Canyon View Junior High, where one of my children had gone to school and where one of my daughter's best friends was in that 9th grade class. And then just yesterday, we had friends whose family members were directly impacted in the Michigan shooting at the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints chapel. And as a mom of 6, that's a lot to carry. I woke up at 3 a.m. and my mind was racing, thinking about everything and then everything that I had to do today. And normally I would just toss and turn. But I actually have a bottle of Serenity capsules. If you haven't used these are phenomenal. I have it just sitting in my drawer in my nightstand. And I always have my water bottle sitting there on the nightstand for, if I get thirsty or whatever. But I just took a couple of those, pop them in, drink it, and within minutes, I am back to sleep. And when my alarm went off this morning, I was like, wow, that was awesome. I got up, I worked out, helped get the kids ready for school, and I wasn't groggy. And here's the thing, we can't control what happens in the world, but we can take care of our sleep so that we can show up stronger for the people who need us the most and for what matters the most. Now, why I love these capsules is they're herbal, they're non-addictive, you're not going to be groggy when you wake up, and they work so fast and effective and super easy just to have them right there on your nightstand. And when I travel, I always take some with me because I know sometimes it's hard to sleep away from home. So this has totally saved me and my family from a lot of sleepless nights. Now what's cool is this month in October, there is a special promotion, and this is when I stock up for the year. So you can get these for 10% off. But here's the cool thing. If you have a doTERRA membership, you get 25% off first. And then on top of that, you get an additional 10% off. If you don't have an account, I will put information below on how to get your own free account. But if you do, this is a great time to stock up and save. Now, let me tell you about another cool aspect to this is also helpful for sleep. And especially if you have kids or people who don't take pills, is the Serenity essential oil. So this is amazing to go with your diffuser that's on your nightstand. And we just put a few drops in the diffuser, turn it on, and it really helps to shut everything going on in your brain and to be able to rest and sleep well. And so this is a great solution for kids, for babies. If you don't have the Serenity Softgels available there, or if you just don't know you're going to wake up in the middle of the night, I love having that on my nightstand. You can also add them to your bath if you're taking a bath before you go to bed to be calming. I love this when kids are sick and they're having a hard time sleeping. You can put them in bath salts and make great gifts for others. So this is a great time to pair the soft gels with the oil, and you can get it for free this month. For those who place a rewards order by the 15th of the month, and if it's 125 points, that you get this bottle for free. Or if you order the foundational wellness bundle. If you don't know what that is, I will put a link to a video describing that below because it is like the #1 product from doTERRA. And if you don't have an account, you can actually get that foundational wellness bundle. You'll get the Serenity for free. And you'll also get a bottle of peppermint oil for free, a shaker bottle for free. It's a really awesome deal to take advantage of. So with that being said, there is one more promo. Let me show you. So you'll see down below a link to the page where you can check out the Serenity promos, some fun ways to use the soft gel, as well as some awesome testimonials. So not just mine, but other people's. And I have pages and pages of these testimonials of people that I've worked with directly or are within our community, how well these oils and these products work. You'll see some recipes, just some different ways to use it. You'll see the link for the foundational wellness bundle for more information about that and why it's awesome. And then some Serenity testimonials with diffusing. And also, if you want to do a deep dive, I do have a video there that dives deeply into the Serenity essential oil, the blend, why it works, like the evidence, science-backed research behind why this works so well. But then there's this really cool limited time offer with the Hygge. That's how you say that. It's Danish. It's an essential oil that smells amazing. And you can also get this really cool diffuser, and it's limited time. So they just have it until they sell out. But I recommend, if you are into diffusing, if you want a diffuser that looks great and works really well, and this oil, it just smells like outside calming. As we're transitioning into fall and winter season, it's a great time to pick that one up. It's very cozy. I just think of like being in a cabin and being able to just be in front of the fire, right? So this is a limited time offer that you can get, and there's some great diffuser blends there as well. So get your promotions before they're gone. And if you watch this replay and it's not October, no problem. Check the link below because I'll have the current promotions there. Or, I mean, this is totally worth purchasing without the 10% off, just to help you with your sleep. If you're ready to sleep better and support your health, don't miss the Serenity Softgels this month, plus the free Serenity oil. And in addition, I would throw this on because this Serenity stick is my favorite. Again, this is on my nightstand. I will just rub it on my chest, a little under my nose, on my pulse points, down my back, and put it on my kids so that they'll sleep well. I'll link everything down below in the description.